Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. With this website, you can make money online as a chat operator, and I'll show you how. But before we get started, I would like to emphasize that I do not work for this company. This is just an opportunity I came across and decided to share with you. And applying for this job is totally optional. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated for each time I post a video like this one you're about to watch now. Alright, so as usual, let's go through the job description. Here we go. Our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. Their objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversations, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships. Creating an engaging and imaginative experience for customers is key to the success of this enterprise. Our chat moderators entertain customers, build rapport, and develop lasting relationships with customers by making the customer feel good about themselves. Chat moderators working with cloud workers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator, with positions available either on a part-time or full-time basis. Okay, so let's go to the requirements. What we expect from you. You own a PC or laptop with a stable internet connection, the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adult dialogues, competent spelling and grammar, the ability and willingness to work just 12 hours per week, be at least 18 years of age, have an open mind, relaxed approach, and a good sense of humor. Okay, what you can expect from us: fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible and independent planning of working hours, a long-term mutually beneficial working relationship, and so forth and so forth. Okay, so once you're ready to apply as a chat operator, this is the process you need to go through. You need to fill this form, but I would like to share this tip with you. Before you apply for some of these jobs, I will advise you get a VPN. This will increase your chances of getting accepted. Alright, so once you're ready to apply, you fill the form with your first name, your last name, your email address, your date of birth, your phone number, your Skype name, meaning you should have a Skype account, which chat language are you applying for, times available via telephone, do you have experience in chat moderation, yes or no, how did you hear about us, tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. Tick the two boxes and click on submit. Now let's go through some of the FAQs that you may have running through your mind. I live abroad, can I still apply? Let's check. Absolutely, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PC or a laptop and a stable internet connection. The next question is, do I have fixed working hours? Each moderator fills in a wish list indicating which shifts he or she can work and which cannot. The weekly shift schedule is created on this basis. What equipment do I need for the job? A PC or a laptop? Do I have to pay any fees before I am hired? No. Do you have to be a particular gender to get hired? No. When will I receive my payment, and do I need a bank account? Here is the answer. Payments are made within the first 10 business days of the month for the work done in the prior month. Payments can be made either via bank transfer or PayPal. So if you're a Nigerian and you don't have a PayPal account, that's totally fine. You can also get paid via bank transfer. Do I have to send you an invoice every month? Yes. Is the training absolutely necessary, and how is it carried out? Training is mandatory before you may start to work and earn. However, it will only require about an hour of your time and will be conducted by one of our team leaders. via Skype or telephone. So make sure you go through the FAQs and I hope you get the answer you're looking for. So that's basically it, friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. The link to the website will be in the description. I'll see you on Saturday.